Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iOS 18 lag. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you have updated your device to the iOS 18 and your device is lagging, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic. Just simply have to open the setting first. Make sure that you are properly connected with the internet. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on general. Now from here guys, you can easily find background app refresh and just simply have to turn off background app refresh and make sure that your date and time also correct, and just simply have to go to iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage in your iPhone, so you can also delete some unnecessary or unused apps. Okay guys, and then go back from here and just simply have to tap on software update and just simply have to make sure that you have updated your device to the latest iOS version. And after that guys, scroll it down a bit. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that you are not connected with any of the VPN. Tap on transfer reset, tap on reset your network setting. And then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the settings again. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on general. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down a bit. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on shutdown and just simply have to power off your device at least for 2 or 3 minutes, and then turn it on again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then it means your iPhone is overheated. Just simply have to place your iPhone for 1 hour, and after that guys, try to use it again and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.